Good one.
Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Backlash Angling. We got a kind of a short and simple one right now. I'm just kind of editing through the stuff at the moment, and let's just say it wasn't the most crazy one of those weekends that you just can't stop talking about on Lake St. Clair. It was another humbling weekend out on Lake St. Clair. We grinded it out for a total of around, I'd say close to just under 20 hours, and ended up with one bite. So obviously you guys are gonna see that in the video, but yeah, we got one muskie in the boat. It was a beauty. It was a nice chunky low 40s, and it was definitely my best fight I've ever had on Lake St. Clair muskie wise. It was stellar, and I'm pretty pumped about that, and I hope you guys enjoy it. But before we get into the video, I just wanted to quickly touch base. We are encroaching on that 1,000 subscriber mark. We're just under 850, and I think if hopefully in the next few weeks we get a few more muskies in the boat, we can hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, which would be absolutely insane. Something I've been striving for the last few years. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, give us a follow, and yeah, just keep updated with our content. We're trying to release as much cool content as possible, a lot of musky stuff, and then hopefully this ice season's a big year too. So yeah, subscribe to us and enjoy the rest of the video. We call this one, I think Zach and I named this weekend, what was it, Tears to Cheers, because there was a little bit of tears, and then we ended up on a little bit of a high note. So enjoy it, and we'll catch you next time.
Oh, you're dope. Alright, hurry up. Here, come to this one. I'm already at this one. I'm already at this one. You alright? You alright? Oh, stupid. What'd you do? I smell. Oh, how bad is it? It's not like broken. It's no. Over $25. Until they like killed it out. It's like Buffalo Harbor was like renowned as one of like back in like the 70s is like one of the best muskie fishing spots. But they were killing them all. Killer goose. There we go. Oh, good. Oh my god. Good one. Not as big. It's not that big? No, it's like a low 40. Oh, no, it's not. Yeah, it is. Sure, man? Yeah. I saw the head. It was decent. That's a good fighter. No, he's not. He's like a 45. Might be bigger than I thought. I saw the head come up to him. Holy, he's strong, man. He's strong. Where do you want me? You want me beside you? I'm gonna. I'll bring him over this way. Okay, this is a big thing. No, he's going down. I'm gonna bring him and I'll swing him back. He's going right on the boat. He's strong, man. This is probably one of the strongest muskies I've fought. All right, I'm gonna swing him. Oh. This way? No. Here. Come this side. Which way? Which way? Man, I've never caught a muskie that hard. Can't turn his head, eh? Oh, he's just freaking unreal. Let's go. Man, that's like a 44. Holy That's shit. A big fish. It's a big fish.
No, it's just thick. Like he's just a thick boy.
That was a
Dude,
hell
I
of
was
a
doing
fight.
I was doing like pause, pull, twitch, like the weirdest retrieve.
Hey,
let's go.
I'm going.
Big one, baby. Let's go. Okay, so we are grinding here. This is our day 2 on Lake St. Clair. We spent the whole day at the Thames yesterday and just no luck. This is just one of those ones where it's musky fishing and it's a bit of a struggle here. But finally, just doing a weird little retrieve on a restless rider. And yeah, we begged it. It's a good one. It's not a super long one. I think it'll be kind of low 40s, mid 40s, but she's so fast. So let's show her off here. Come on, girl.
Yeah.
Oh, just a freaking pig. Like that thing is so fat. On the bump here.
That's not as big as I thought. Really, eh?
42 and a half.
Really?
But man it is so thick. Like just a freaking thick. That's probably one of the heaviest muskies I've caught on St. Clair, just like heavy wise. And yeah, and it was definitely my best fight. So we're gonna get a couple pictures, put her back in the net, get a couple pictures, and then we'll put her back. All right, let's get this big girl back in. She is so heavy. Oh. Like just short, but just fat. She's gonna be ready
full
to go.
of energy too. Man, look how big that fish is.
We needed that one. That was well deserved. A lot of casts. Let's try to get another one here.